people with the best car community in the world. We are back with another event, an episode of New Lenox Cars and Coffee. This is the last September event, and then we just have October and the season ender and toy drive in early November. This is wild to think that the season is coming to an end. It's supposed to be a beautiful day. I'm excited about it. Weather is beautiful right now. It's supposed to heat up a little bit still. Let's get to the event and have some fun. See you there.
I go drive over there and same thing. There had to be 100 cars there. I'm like, I'm not waiting.
And if we do recreate the
Get away, Eric.
I know.
I'm not doing anything.
Get away, Eric.
I'm not doing
You're always
anything.
recording. You're always recording.
All right, I'll put it away.
I'll believe when I see it.
Come on.
Don't laugh, babe.
Just hit us with that spot. The people want to
work.
see it.
Yeah, okay.
What's up, guys?
Morning.
No apple picking?
Nope.
Hey.
That's later.
What's up, buddy? No spots this week. I'm sorry.
How's it going?
How are you?
No spots.
How are you?
Hi.
My second job is just to spot him driving around town, and I've gotten 0 spots of him this week. So, what's up, buddy?
How are you, man?
Good.
Yeah,
It's looking good today.
so far. I mean, weather's supposed to be great.
Those two guys at the end in the Corvette and the 911 were at the very first official event I ever did.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're OGs.
Different cars, or?
Oh yeah. Well, he may have had that 911. The Corvette's newer.
Yeah.
But like they came, we were just talking. I got to try to find on my computer. I think they both came in like 87, 88 911s, and then like the next event they brought a different car.
Yeah.
But yeah, they've been coming since the very first like real event.
That's cool, man.
So
That was one of the first ones Soto pointed out was the old 911 and the
Yeah.
Ferrari. You see the Ferrari?
yeah, that guy right there actually with the like cream polo. That's the guy with the Ferrari.
That's
So
crazy.
yeah, but yeah, those two, they're right there. Those two guys are the very first. They were here. I think there was like 5 cars, and one of them may have been mine. So
Okay.
yeah, it was tiny. So
I gotta get a shot of that. The
Yeah.
lighting right now is perfect too.
yeah, I know. I got to try to go get the garbage, get a coffee, and and then try to get a couple clips. Yep. How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Thanks for coming.
No problem, thanks.
We are really behind. It is 8:13. We already got cars in the second lot going on. Get these little beauties. I don't remember these bronze wheels on here. This looks good. We got bike life coming. Hello, young man. Hey, I wanted to say hi before I lose you.
Hey. How are ya?
How are you guys? Good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah, you're looking like freaking Hercules. What's up, bud? Hey. Good to see you, man. Not too much.
You good?
Oh yeah.
How's the family?
Oh, they're. I wasn't recording. I mean.
Maybe like a 35.
Oh, that's nicer. Not the finger this time.
No. I'm a nice guy.
I know. It's only when you drive the 4th gen. Works. Hey guys. All right, where is our buddy? They might actually be on the, look at these things, looking good. Did you guys see the Reed with the 350Z over there?
Yeah, he pulled.
They're over there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm in the wrong section here. It's our buddies, they moved. Got Cal's Angels support today. Another narrow body. There's Pops. Where are we at? We're sponsored by I think I finally found them. Yep. Now the question is, are they there? Nope. There, it's looking good though. Yep. You guys are the worst. Right. Alright, we gotta toss this out and then get some videos with the Osmo. I've made it like 2 spots. Got 0 filming done.
See all the cars for sale over there, dude?
Where?
Your used car lot?
Over there, there's like a used car lot going on.
Oh God.
Yeah, Nick already made an offer.
Nice. On what?
I called him on the Subaru Legacy. He was asking $6,500. I offered him $4,000.
Nice.
400
Like for
bucks.
real? Oh. We got another drone up there. All right, let's get some video clips here. The sun this morning was great. Now it is not so great. And that is a wrap, people. There's a Gost mobile. Spooky Ghost. See you later. And just like that, another event is in the books. That is the end of September events, which is wild. You probably wouldn't guess it because this video is not going to be long. We did not do a great day filming, but what a wonderful event. There had to have been over 150 cars that showed up. It was so great to talk to everybody. I had a blast. I hope you did too. Remember to always support Gost if you're in the area. There is no coffee shop like it. You could tell they care about the coffee and the people and our car community specifically. So I will see you guys in October. I can't believe this season is coming to an end, but thank you again for the support. Thanks for coming to hang out. And don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.